If your skin looks dull, uneven, rough, even after using expensive skincare routine, then your skin needs exfoliation. But stop right there. Don't run up and buy glycolic acid because using it in a wrong way can damage your skin barrier. So, hi everyone, this is Dr. Megha. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I make authentic skincare videos and hair care videos. So do consider subscribing to my channel for more such informative videos. So in today's video, we'll be talking all about glycolic acid. So like you all know, it's one of the most popular skincare ingredients which helps in exfoliating your skin gently by removing dead skin cells and helps in giving you that radiant glow and even skin tone. So in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 amazing ways in which you can use glycolic acid in your skincare and body care routine. So let's get started with usage number 1. If your skin feels rough, dull, even after moisturizing it doesn't look hydrated, and if your skin looks very dull and flat, you need to exfoliate your skin. And glycolic acid is the best choice for it, as glycolic acid can remove dead skin cells from the top layer of your skin. It can leave your skin glowing, hydrated. You can get that even skin tone. So this is how you can use it. You can use glycolic acid serums or toners like this 1 to 2 times a week at night only, and later apply a good hydrating moisturizer according to your skin type. And in the daytime, make sure to use a broad spectrum sunscreen because exfoliating your skin can make your skin a little sensitive to sunlight. So sunscreen is a must in the morning. Usage number 2, for dark underarms and odor. If your underarms look darker, even though you're keeping it clean, shaving, waxing, or friction can cause pigmentation in your underarms area. It can even cause odor. So to get rid of this, what you can do is you can use toners like these 1 to 2 times a week at night only. After cleansing your underarm area, take the toner in the pad and then gently rub that area with the glycolic acid toner. Later, you can leave it overnight. In this way, glycolic acid will help in exfoliating dead skin cells over that area and also will help in getting rid of pigmentation over there. And remember to not exfoliate your skin with glycolic acid whenever you have freshly shaved or waxed your skin. If you have shaved or waxed today, you can use the toner the next day. Next comes usage number 3. If you have tiny rough bumps on your arms, thighs, or any parts of your body which feels like sandpaper, then you most probably have keratosis, pilaris, or chicken skin. To get rid of this, you can use glycolic acid. It helps in softening the keratin, plugging into your hair follicle, which eventually makes the skin smoother over time. So to get rid of keratosis, pilaris, or chicken skin, what you can do is use glycolic acid based body lotions or creams 1 to 2 times a week on the affected area and leave it overnight. On top of it, use a good hydrating moisturizer or a body lotion to hydrate your skin and lock up that moisture. Usage number 4. If your pimples heal but leave behind that stubborn acne mark, then you most probably have post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or PIH. So glycolic acid can help improve that post-inflammatory pigmentation or acne marks by gently exfoliating your skin and by increasing skin cell turnover. So in that case, what you can do is use glycolic based creams like these once in a week initially by applying only at night on the affected area or wherever you have pigmentation or acne marks. Later, apply a good hydrating moisturizer on top of it. And remember to use it only after your acne is settled. Don't apply it on active acne. And remember, if you have dry skin, extremely dry skin, eczema prone skin, sensitive skin, or if you have a damaged skin barrier, then in that case, you need not be using glycolic acid. And one more important thing, do not combine glycolic acid with any other exfoliating ingredients or strong actives like retinols, benzoyl peroxide, or salicylic acid. Next comes usage number 5. If your face matches your skin tone but the rest of your body like knuckles, neck, feet, elbows, or hands look darker, or if you have tanning going on, or if you have uneven skin tone on your body, in that case, glycolic acid can help improve that uneven skin tone and tanning. What you can do is use glycolic acid based lotion or creams like these on the darker parts of your body 2 to 3 times a week at night only. And later in the morning, make sure to use a good body sunscreen in the daytime. This will help in getting rid of the tanning and also will help your skin to get that even tone. So these were the 5 amazing ways in which you can use glycolic acid in your body care and skincare routine. And I want to add one last thing. Glycolic acid is a treatment and not a daily necessity. Using it more often won't give you faster results, but it can actually damage your skin. So start slowly, be consistent. So that's about it for this video. If this video helped you in any way, do like this video, share it with your friends whosoever needs it, and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.